In this video, you're going to learn how to get the reply sticker on TikTok. So open up TikTok, make sure you're logged in. Now you can do this with a draft or you can do this with a new video that you're going to shoot right now. I'm going to use a draft by clicking on Profile and then selecting the draft that I want to use the sticker on. Just by clicking on it. Now it takes you to the screen that you get to right after you first shoot your TikTok video. You can see down at the bottom we can add sounds, effects, text, and stickers. So go ahead and click on stickers icon down at the bottom of the screen. That will pull up all the stickers that you can use, and you can see right there, second row down, is the reply sticker. You may have to look for it on your device. I'm going to go ahead and click on reply sticker. It says reply to your favorite comments and questions. Your favorite comments and questions will appear here. You can hold a comment and add it to favorites. And here's some suggestions that we can use for our reply sticker. If you don't like any of those, click on see more. And I kind of like this one right here. Where do you want to travel in 2022? Now you can move this thing around anywhere you want on your screen just by clicking and dragging. You can shrink it, you can grow it, and it gives you some little blue lines here so you can keep it centered. When you're happy with your changes, go ahead and click next. I hope this video helped you on how to get the reply sticker on TikTok. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here.